Maybe you learned a thing or two though, and ultimately hoping you might have just gained an appreciation for even the most common birds in our world. They truly are just about. Well, if you want to come on down to the front nice and close, take a closer look at our birds, ask us any remaining questions you have. Otherwise, the last Birds of Prey flying demonstration starts in about 10 minutes if you turn that way down the path. Now, one last thing from you. Bye-bye. 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 Bunch of goodbyes.